have you on visuals, big one. It's about time you showed up.
We'll take it from here. Thanks for the reconnaissance, Julia.
It was nothing, Captain. Anytime. Spica platoon is heading home. We wish you luck.
Scan download from Spica platoon is now complete. Let's move in. Eagle 1, you're now clear for takeoff.
Opening hangar. Eagle 1 is ready for takeoff.
Launch Eagle 1.
Come in, 620 Express. We're requesting permission to come aboard. I have Catherine with me.
Catherine's here? Answer him, you fool! Say yes!
Please, don't shoot! This is the conductor of the 620 Express. Permission to come aboard granted. Please dock with the main engine.
All right, Luis. Move slowly, act scared. We're trying to buy time.
Right.
What's taking them so long? What are they doing? Just get on the freaking train! Hurry up!
What are you waiting for? Let's go. Right. Man, thanks, Bruce. Sorry about that. You're a hindrance, Yuki. You can thank me by going home. Quit the SDF. I won't do it! Don't expect any more favors.
David, Luis, so far so good. Bruce and Manabu have made it on.
Well, did I seem scared? Do I get an award for my acting?
Don't give me that. You really were scared to jump, weren't you?
Hey, give me a little credit. I'm tougher than that.
Let's go.
Right.
Captain, we're in position, sir.
Stand by.
She boarded the train 2 minutes ago. She should be here by now. What's taking so long?
I don't know. I'll go see.
No, you stay! Shut up! Shut that thing up now!
I can't. He's scared. Please don't hurt him. He's just a baby. He can't help it. I'll try to get him to quiet down.
David, where are you? Hurry up.
We're almost there. Hang tight.
Stop! I can't take it!
Shut him up now or I'll kill him!
Oh, please. Don't hurt my baby. Get away from him. Don't touch my baby.
Shut that little monster up right now!
Bruce, they're in position. Attack in 30 seconds.
No! Get away! Leave my baby alone! No, please!
I can't take it anymore! I'll kill you all if he doesn't shut up right now!
No! Give my baby back!
Space Defense Force! Liars! Get away from me or I'll kill him!
Don't do it! No!
Manabu.
Passengers, everything is safe and secure. Please move to the rear coach in a calm and orderly fashion. Thank you very much.
What have I done?
It's over. We're gonna get you some help.
You are one crazy kid.
Hey, Yuki. That was a reckless move. You could have been killed. If you have a death wish, join another platoon. We don't want you here.
All of the passengers have been taken care of. No one was seriously injured.
Manabu, you've been hit. Why didn't you say something? That needs to be sterilized.
Manabu's gun doesn't fire?
No, it's just a keepsake of his. It's an FW-308, the model that the SDF used to use back in the old days. It belonged to his father, Manabu Yūki, the former captain of Big One. To our commander and friend, Captain Yūki.
Goodbye, my sons. This universe has been my home, but I must leave it for the ocean of spirit. Be brave, boys. I will always be with you.
Father.
Kana, it'll be long this time, my love. I'm sorry.
There he is.
Well, well. Hey there, hero.
Hey.
How's your arm, Manabu? Is it okay?
Yeah, it actually feels normal again. The medical technology here is amazing. They can do anything.
They can't bring the dead back to life. No amount of technology can do that. Here, Yūki, take it.
But I have a gun already.
It's broken. A gun that doesn't fire is worthless, Yūki. Put that old relic on a shelf where it belongs and take this one.
I know my duty. It's to protect the people, and I don't need a gun for that.
You can gamble your own life on that ideal, but not the lives of your platoon members. Now take this sidearm or quit the SDF. It's your choice.
All right then, I'll take it.
Good call.
I said I'll take it, but I'm not going to use it. There. Are you satisfied now?
You'll use it someday, Yūki. It's inevitable. You can't avoid it in space. You have to kill if you want to survive.
Their two opposing wills are like two trains on a crash course. The collision is imminent. Which one will survive and emerge from the wreckage is the unknown. That is a question that only destiny can answer.
We have an unidentified train in Alpha Centauri. Affirmative, I'm picking it up too. Planet of origin, unknown. Planet of destination, unknown. How can this be? I recommend alerting the commander immediately. Roger that. Calling Galaxy Railway Headquarters. This is Deep Space Substation 7 reporting an unidentified train. Come in, Headquarters.